Yeah, yes, we do. Walmart results just hitting the wires, and I like that revenue number, Courtney. There must be is there an adjusted EPS? Because the first thing they put looks like it would be below, but is there an adjusted EPS that's above $1.57?
There is an adjusted EPS, Joe, and I know you always like that revenue number because it's so big because of the size and scale that Walmart has. So let me give you the results here. So Walmart is beating on earnings and revenues, reporting an adjusted earnings per share of $1.78 for the second quarter. That compares to estimates of $1.57 on revenues of $141.05 billion. The street was expecting $137.1 billion. So the world's largest retailer also giving us some updated guidance, raising its full year earnings guidance range to $6.20 to $6.25, or growth of 15 to 17%. That's above the street's consensus. Full year revenue expected to grow to 6 to 7%. That was up slightly from previously. Walmart forecasting U.S. comp sales for the year to improve 5 to 6%. That's also above analyst estimates. Now, for the second quarter, Walmart's U.S. comparable sales grew 5.2%, with more than 6% in transaction growth. And this quarter was actually led by the stores. So store traffic continues to grow, according to the company. But take a look at Walmart's U.S. net e-commerce. This is up 6% for the U.S. This is a much smaller increase than investors are used to seeing. It's worth reminding you that the same quarter last year, we saw U.S. net e-commerce sales grow 97%. So this is on top of that growth. The retailer is expecting now global e-commerce to hit $75 billion this year. So that's just its own goods, ex-marketplace goods, when you're looking at that $75 billion expectation. I spoke to Walmart's CFO, Brett Biggs. He said that the third quarter, so the current quarter, is off to a good start. And then regarding that e-commerce result, he said, look, there are going to be quarters where stores lead the way and quarters where online lead the way. This was a quarter that was led by the stores. Biggs also said Walmart is watching the Delta variant closely, but hasn't noticed any big changes other than more mask wearing locally in Arkansas, where case rates are higher. Biggs said travel-related items like luggage and party supplies sold well, water balloons early in the quarter too, along with tops, specifically in apparel. And he said, quote, particularly early in the quarter, you see people coming out of hibernation, and back to school is off to a really good start. There's going to be a live conference call here a little later this morning where we'll get even more color from the world's largest retailer, but always a good read on the consumer when these Walmart numbers cross. Back over to you guys.